Hey y'all, I just wanted to share today how I got 2 strands of beads from Michaels for 63 cents. See that? 63 cents. You can see the discount I got. The total for both of these beads was $5.59. That was for their 60% off sale. Then I had a coupon that Michael sent me for $5. And then I only had to pay 63 cents, y'all. 63 cents, okay? That was so awesome. I already done a Michael's bead haul recently, as you guys saw in one of my recent videos. And I knew that the 60% off sale was still going when I got an email from Michaels with a $5 off coupon. So this was a very, very strategic visit. I was like, I have a $5 off coupon. They have a 60% off sale. I could probably get like 1 to 3 strands of beads, y'all, and not pay. My goal was to go in there and not pay more than $1, okay? So I went in there and I found these 2 beads. I think one of them was $7.99 and the other was $5.99, I think. You know what? I have the coupon. I have not the coupon. I have the receipt right here. Yeah, let's see. One was $7.99 and one was $7.99. With 60% off, it was what, $3.20. And the second one was $5.99. And with the 60% off, it was $2.39. And then with my $5 off coupon, y'all, just collected. We are winning. I'm like, that'd be so dumb not to take advantage of that because I knew the 60% off sale was only going on for one more day. So I'm like, that'd be so dumb not to take advantage of that. You know, I could use the $5 off coupon anytime, but why not use it when you have the 60% off and get some beads for under $1, y'all? Let's just work smarter, not harder, right? So these are 2 that I picked out. I thought that was so cute. Let me just do one by one. I thought these are really, really cute. I saw these. It was a different Michaels, because obviously it was all the way in a different state because I was visiting my mother. And they had so many more beads on clearance still, y'all, than my local Michaels. But I didn't get any because there weren't any that I was really interested in. But I thought it was interesting how they had a lot more clearance beads left over than mine. Which I was very shocked, honestly, because I live in a smaller city. But, you know, I was out toward Atlanta, and I'm like, this is a busier area. How do they still have a lot of clearance beads? That was just very strange to me. But who knows? Maybe there's just more Michaels phonetics out here. But anyway, here's the other bead that I got. It's really pretty little iridescent stars. I thought they were very pretty. So that's what I got. Just these 2. Very, very mini bead haul. These are really, really cute. I can't wait to make some videos with me making bracelets with these. And then also I have a couple more things to share. I also visited my friend while I was in town, and she knows that I like beads, and she gave me these cute little, how cute are these little shrimp beads? Oh my God, they're so cute. Look at these. They're so adorable. She said she got these from Temu, and she gave me 3 of them. I think they were so adorable. I'm probably just gonna make some earrings out of 2 of them and then a matching bracelet. These are so adorable, but I definitely plan on ordering some of my own so I can make some bracelets for my shop once I get that opened. I just thought these were so cute. The little shrimpies. So cute, so cute. And she also gave me this. She had one of these on her ceiling fan as like a fan string pull. That was really, really cute. And I almost didn't take it from her, but she was like, just take it. You can use it as a bracelet or a bead or something. I'm like, yeah, I guess I will. So I took it. I guess I could use this little lotus flower for something. And these 2 little green beads, I'll cut them off and I'll figure out something to do with them. But that's kind of my little beads that I got on my little adventure for Mother's Day. So that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching a very much a mini bead haul. These are what I collected during my Mother's Day travels to see my mom. So that's all I got for you. Bye.